Okay, we're back again. Today, what I want to do is solve a minor annoyance that I have, which is that whether we're recording or not is linked to basically pressing enter in this text box here. That seems kind of dumb, and I would like to just have a little button on the side that has, play and stop, I guess, the two buttons I want. So it's initially unclicked and you got play and stop. This, I think, should be easy. I think we have all the functionality for it. It's just a little bit of UI work. He says, not knowing if that's true. Okay. Yeah, one day I would like to get rid of this error message. It's a bit dumb, but whatever. Okay, let's open up the widgets. So what we're going to do is not the rec timer, the output box. Yeah, because currently this is the check that, sets up all the recording. I think this should be not here, basically. So we're going to draw the text input. Do we draw the rec timer next to it? Is that over here? That is over here. Oh, that's interesting. Because I think inside drawing the output, I think I want the play stop to be intimately linked to the output box. I don't think it makes sense to do that separate. Like the recording timer, which is how long we've been recording for, I think makes sense, but the output box, I think, should be intimately linked to the play stop. In fact, I might even just draw it in here even. That maybe makes sense. Let's just start. Let's start. So firstly, we're going to do define output box button height. I don't know what any of these heights are, to be honest. What is the box's height? That's output box height 23. I don't know, maybe smaller than that. Maybe like 17, I don't know. 17. Define output box button width. We'll just go 17. Does it make sense to have max? I don't know if it makes sense to have max. Do I have anything in the edit widgets H? Right. So it should be 200 plus. Output box pad, I guess, plus, and then I guess I want to pull these across, probably. Put those there. Box button width. Something like that. And that's correct. And then we want to define output box. I really don't like how this this layout works. It's really dumb. I'd like to redo it one day, but I don't know like concretely a better way of doing it. And I don't really want to write a layout engine because that seems dumb. What am I doing? Pad? I have no idea. Like 10, like 5 to 5, 7? I don't know. I'm just making it up. Okay. I don't think we need this open. Min height, min width, max height, max width, height width. these used anywhere? Why? Oh, that's for the text? Wait, how does that work? No. Where do we draw the... Oh, draw text input. Uh-huh. Whatever this is. Do I have a padding somewhere? Text input size pad? Do we start there? Where's this actually drawn? Seed pos? Where does that start? Okay, region X plus size plus spacing times. Okay, interesting. I'm just going to presume this will work. I'm just not going to worry about it. I'm sure I knew what I was doing. I'm sure I predicted this. I absolutely did not predict this. I'm sure I predicted this. Okay, so what we want to do is, I guess, draw the play button and draw the stop button. And the play button, right, so the active thing, does that change anything other than... No, it doesn't. It possibly change the background of the box. Yes, correct. It changes the background of the box. But I don't think I need this, because I don't think the box being active changes anything outside of the text now. Because it used to be that if you go from active to not active, it would set up the format, but I don't want to do that anymore. I want to do that here. Yeah. I don't think I care about TI active. I don't think I need that. So where's this used? Yeah, I'm just gonna say active, I think. Just go char active. What does this return? An int? Okay, well, it can be an int, I don't care. Still here. Okay, draw the play button. Oh, I need to copy paste all that shit again. That's all I do, copy paste code. Let's take this. We'll put that there. So, do I need to save this for any reason? I think the answer is no. I think... True. I need to set up a subregion. Yeah, so we'll do if draw play button subregion, and what it's going to return is if it's been clicked. And then we'll do this. I think we should save that though. Wait, should we? Or should we deduce that? Like, do we deduce whether it's been clicked based off if, I don't know, this something, based off something? I'll need to get rid of this at some point. I think, should this be deduced? So what happens if it's not? What happens if we just store it as state? And then that state gets out of sync more specifically. Yeah, maybe this can just be a to-do. I don't know if I care so much about this. Figure out where the active, figure out if pressed should be stored or deduced. Pressed, no, not pressed. If playing should be stored or deduced. Probably same for stopping. So else if, no, incorrect. If draw stop button, and then we'll need to set up a subregion as well. We'll just get rid of these. Yeah. This. Right? Why do I need to probe for audio devices though? I mean, I'll do it, but it seems unnecessary. We'll do that. Do I need this? Why did I need this? Oh, I want to keep the recording status? Yeah, that's fine. Is that fine? No, that's not... No, that's fine, that's fine. The recording status here is disconnected from the video recording, because the recording for audio is essentially a pause. It doesn't actually do the recording, like the writing to disk. It's just like a, not a pause, that's not right. It's how would you explain it, whether it's writing out silence or not, right? It's more like a mute, I guess, rather than a record. So these should at least be up here. The thing being, yeah, I think if you press this button like 10 times, it shouldn't do anything. So I think draw play button should specifically only fire if it wasn't pressed before. Like, I don't think pressing it like 10 times should restart. I think you should have to specifically stop and then play again. So what I'm gonna do, because we need to draw it anyway, so, and not playing. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna say playing equals, no, and not, we'll put it in TI, even though that doesn't really make sense, because it's not really about the text input. All right, and then we'll go back here. We'll just make this playing. And then if you stop, we will do that.